जब भी कोई व्यक्ति, संगठन, समाज या राष्ट्र आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रयत्नशील रहता है और योग्यता के आधार पर अपनी पहचान बनाता है, तभी उसके हर घटक को मान, सम्मान, धन और वैभव की प्राप्ति होती है।
Millions follow a beaten path. Only a few make their own path and others follow them. Such was a person, Mr. Rajesh Srivastava. Rajesh Srivastava had many other qualities of a very nice human nature. He believed in taking everyone together towards the hospital. Apart from that, he had a vision and a desire to do better and never be afraid of difficulties.
I have known Mr. Rajesh Srivastava for a long time. He was a great man, a good human being, and also a man of vision. He had dreamt and he had a vision to make this hospital, and this was his dream. We joined him about 12 years back with an idea to fulfill his dream. He is no more, but his spirit is with us. And Mr. Rajesh Srivastava, I can promise you they will continue to do whatever you wanted us to do. You were a great person. You took people with you, and you always believed that one cannot achieve alone. It has to be team, and your dream will come true.
Namaskar. Anyone who met and came in association with Sri Rajesh ji felt as if one is in a formative year, as he was found a gold mine of wisdom. Serenity, tranquility described him only with limitation. He represented most of excellence and perfection. I found him beyond all adjectives. His feeling he had for all the people around him was basically humane and holy. His philosophy of life can be glimpsed partly in his notings, Prayatna, Yogyata, or Pehchan. He gave us this ladder to climb with common sense, intelligence and wisdom. I found in him more of philosopher who believed in perfection and excellence. His philosophy of life will serve for many years to come. He has left his spirit with us. Believing in them will be guide post for a happy and a successful life. His work and systemic approach is not there to be chewed and digested, but for reflection and digestion. Let us believe in them to avoid stress. If we dive in his spirit and action, we will find the gem of equanimity. His life and calmness were beyond any figure of his speeches. His silence dictated fearlessness with hard work. His life is a cream of wisdom. Great men tell you how to get there where you are going. Greater men take you there. So let us vouch and walk with his wisdom of spirit. Make his all dreams finally to take a shape. I found him very humble and gentle person in conversation, of few words but always pertinent. His lifestyle communicates that it is art of drawing without any eraser. For him life was pilgrimage. His life had a purpose and a value. Thank you very much.
Good morning. My name is Devesha. I handle international marketing for Rockland Hospitals. I had worked with Rajesh sir, and his presence has always been an electrifying. He would solve all tough management or marketing problem in a very simple way. Probably his philosophy was very simple. Make life look simple, and there's no shortcuts for any problem. You have to be, break all the problems into small steps and you have to achieve the goals that you set for yourself or for your organization. His simple philosophy of making his employees and team comfortable was really a benchmark. He was somebody who guided us on even every small steps. He was open to ideas and was willing to invest in ideas which could be benefit for the humanity. His death has been a great loss, not only for Rockland or for the employees, but also for the healthcare industry in India. He was a visionary, and he wanted to build a he wanted to ensure that all Indians get access to the quality healthcare. May God rest his soul in peace. We will miss you, sir.
I'm Preeti Kapoor, Chief Dietitian, Rockland Kutub. There is no one can fully express the pain of losing a loved one in a family. It's sad one who gave you the best memories becomes a memory. I still remember Sir's precious blessings and prayers which still keep me motivated like a synergy, and it will remain with me as a gift for the whole life. It will help me become a better person both professionally and as a human being. Thank you.
मैं डॉक्टर अमिताभ वर्मा, जो कि कुतुब रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल में एज एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर एवं चेयरमैन न्यूरो साइंसेस का हूँ। राजेश के कारण ही मैं इस अस्पताल में आया था। वो मेरे दोस्त थे, राजेश श्रीवास्तव। उनका एक विजन था और विजन हम दोनों ने शेयर किया था, और उस विजन के ही तहत, जैसे वो कहता था हर वक्त कि ये हवन है और इस हवन के हम सब लोग पार्ट हैं, और आगे हमको एक ग्लोरिफाइड मेडिकल फैसिलिटी बनानी है इंडिया के अंदर। उसका सडनली जाना ये हम लोग को हतोत्साहित नहीं होना चाहिए, बल्कि उसके आदर्शों को, उसके दिशा निर्देशों के हिसाब से ही आगे काम करते हुए बढ़ना चाहिए और इस अस्पताल को ऊपर उठाना पड़ेगा, और कर ही रहे हैं इस दिशा में। उसका जो विजन था वो हम सब लोगों के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है, और वो हर जगह अभी भी हम लोग महसूस कर सकते हैं कि राजेश कहाँ पे है। बहुत ही एक अत्यंत सुलझा हुआ इंसान राजेश रहा है। उसकी सबसे बड़ी जो खासियत थी वो सबको जोड़ के रखना पसंद करता था, और जितना मेरे ख्याल से अगर उसको अजात शत्रु कहें तो उचित ही होगा, ये कोई अतिशयोक्ति नहीं होगी। यस, वी ऑल आर मिसिंग हिम फॉर हिज डेडिकेशन। एनी प्रॉब्लम you take before him, he had a very clear solution. He would never harm anyone, but there would be solution towards the positivity. ये अस्पताल ही नहीं, समाज ने एक बहुत अच्छे व्यक्ति को खोया है।
मैं डॉक्टर अरुण गिरी, सीनियर कंसल्टेंट हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल कुतुब। मैंने करीब 6 साल पहले यहाँ पे इस हॉस्पिटल को ज्वाइन किया था, तो चेयरमैन साहब से पहली बार हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी। आई फाउंड हिम हम्बल, एनकरेजिंग, ऑलवेज स्माइलिंग। हमेशा वो हमें इनक्रेज करते थे, और जब भी मिलते वो स्माइल करते, और हमेशा कुछ भी नया करने की, अच्छा करने की प्रेरणा देते थे। उनके सैड डिमाइज से हमको सबको एक पर्सनल सेटबैक है। थैंक यू।
We all know that once we are born, we have to go one day. But one doesn't expect a sudden disappearance like this. And it came as a shock to me on Friday, 22nd of January. I saw him taking rounds and I wanted to meet him. I said, no, he'll be tired. Let me meet him on Monday. That Monday never came. It is very sad. It is very, very sad indeed to lose a leader like this. I came to know him in 2004. He had a very inconspicuous presence to begin with. In fact, I didn't even know he was the chairperson of this institution. One day I was getting down the stairs from the OPD to the basement, and he said, Dr. Shanta, I need to discuss something about the hospital administration. Since you've been the medical director of Bhadra Hospital for so many years, I want to share your experience. It was a pleasure. I realized what a lot of interest he had. A person who has no experience in healthcare industry should come up to this stage, and this thinking and the vision he had is a little amazing to think. And since that day, I've been really interested in following the progress. We shared a lot of information about everything, including hospitals, personal life, and so many things and advice, and I would admire every now and then. Yes, he was a man of very little words, but he didn't miss a point. You always felt that he's a keen listener, but he did not make you feel uncomfortable, was very friendly. One would never think that he's the head of an institution. In fact, he's a creator of this chain of healthcare industries. And imagine what energy, in spite of his ill health, that I used to point out many a times, sir, अपना ख्याल रखिए. And he used to tell me, ये शरीर मेरा साथ नहीं छोड़ेगा. और मुझे फिक्र नहीं है, मैं तो अपना लगा रहता हूँ दिन रात, और मुझे बहुत बढ़िया एक सेटअप करना है. ये शब्द मैं कभी उनका भूल नहीं सकती. और कभी भी शाम को भी चले जाइए, सुबह भी चले जाइए, उनके चेहरे पे कभी थकान नज़र ही नहीं आती थी. And what to say? I mean, to get to know such a person, one should be very lucky. And I only know how much I miss his presence in this institution. He was a guide to me, not only in the hospital, but also in my personal life. A lot of his own experience he shared with me, always encouraging, always motivating. And that is something one should learn. And he never felt low about anything. There were problems. It's not that there are no problems. Once we are born with problems. There was always a solution. And that is something one should remember. Go on. Be a leader. Make a team. And share your experience. Train everybody around you to the best of your knowledge. And continue to work with dedication and sincerity. I mean, there's not a single day when I don't think of him. When I see his photographs in the hospital, it really makes me very sad that I have lost this man. Okay, he's not there physically, but he is there in our hearts, and he will continue to be there in our hearts. Thank you. What more can I say about him?
गुड आफ्टरनून सर, मेरा नाम हरीश है. मैं पिछले 2005 से रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल कुतुब में बिलिंग डिपार्टमेंट में काम कर रहा हूं, और हमारे चेयरमैन सर के साथ बहुत अच्छे रिलेशन हैं. हमें इस दौरान जो भी छोटी से छोटी परेशानी आई, हमने उनके साथ शेयर किया, और उन्होंने हमारी सारी परेशानियों को ध्यानपूर्वक सुनकर उसका समाधान किया. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद.
Rajesh ji was a man of qualities. His qualities, he had a number of qualities which is very difficult for a person to count. He was always very cheerful, very considerate for others, very dedicated to his work. Rajesh ji he would focus on the major issues. Minor issues he would look into, but the major issues he will always look from a different point of view, which the other people do not look at it. He commanded, in a short period of time, he commanded tremendous respect in the healthcare sector, I know, and the other sector as well. Whosoever will come into his contact, he will get impressed. The kind of aura and the personality that he had.
CMD sir is like father to me. I had known him for past 11 years and was few of the lucky ones who got the chance to interact with him on almost regular basis. He had such a personality which has such a calming effect on the people around him. He always focused on positives of individuals and told me that not to focus on negatives because it's not going to take us anywhere. He himself was very positive, patient, and his mere presence had such a calming effect on people around him. His major forte was to uncomplicate things and put them in right perspective. I am what I am because of him, and I owe everything to him. He has touched and changed so many lives and will remain in our hearts forever.
मुझे राजेश जी का बहुत प्रेम और आशीष प्राप्त है। यूं तो उनसे जुड़ने वाले हर व्यक्ति को उनके लिए खास होने का एहसास होता है। रॉकलैंड परिवार का एक सदस्य होने का एहसास होता है, चाहे वो व्यक्ति कितना ही छोटा हो, कितना ही दूर हो उनसे। फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि मुझे तो उनका विशेष स्नेह प्राप्त है। वो इसलिए क्योंकि इतने सारे लोगों में से उन्होंने न जाने क्यों मुझे चुना, अपने जीवन के प्रिंसिपल्स को, बहुत सारे किस्सों को, कहानियों को शेयर करने के लिए, ताकि हम उसे बाद में पूरे रॉकलैंड परिवार के साथ साझा कर सकें। कुछ वर्ष तक जो ये वार्तालाप का, डायलॉग का एक दौर चला, उसमें मैंने पाया कि उनके सभी ख्याल, चाहे वो बिजनेस को लेके हो, जीवन को लेके हो, उनकी फाउंडेशन में बहुत सौहार्द था और सम्मान था। उस खजाने की कुछ बूंदें इस किताब में भी हैं। मैं ये मानता हूं कि ये ऐसी चीज है जिससे कि कोई भी व्यक्ति अपना पूरा जीवन बिल्ड कर सकता है इस विजडम की, इस को एक नींव बना के। आज चेयरमैन सर हमारे साथ नहीं है, और मैं ये मानता हूं कि उनके ख्याल, उनके विचार और जो वे जीवंत उदाहरण हम लोगों के लिए बन के गए हैं, वो हमारे लिए एक कभी न खत्म होने वाली धरोहर है। मैं उनकी स्मृति को शत शत नमन करता हूँ।
से मदद करते थे। अतः अंत में मैं यही कहूँगा कि ईश्वर उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे तथा उनके परिवार को यह दुख सहने की असीम शक्ति प्रदान करे और उनके सन्मार्ग में आने वाली कठिनाइयों को सरलता रूप से धारण करके एक चात्रिक आनंद छाया रहे, यही मेरी कामना है।
चेयरमैन सर बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे। इंसान क्या, वो देवता थे। उनके पास कभी भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम लेके जाते थे, तुरंत उसका सलूशन मिलते थे। हमेशा हमारे लिए इतनी हेल्प करते थे। उनके पास जाके हमें निराश होकर वापस आने का कभी मौका नहीं मिला है। हमेशा वो खुश रहते थे और उनका जो कमी हमेशा महसूस करेंगे, वो हमेशा हमारे दिल में रहेंगे।
My name is Vijayamma. I am nursing superintendent of Rockland Hospital, Kutu. मैं अपनी चेयरमैन साहब के लिए चंद लाइनें बोलना चाहती हूँ। बना के दे गए हैं राजेश जी चमन को हमें, बना के दे गए हैं राजेश जी चमन को हमें, जो इसमें फूल खिलाओ तो बात बने, जो इसमें फूल खिलाओ तो बात बने। हम अपनी सेवा से एक फसले गुल खिला देंगे, हम अपनी सेवा से एक फसले गुल खिला देंगे। सदा बाहर के गीतों से सुर सुनेगा जहां, सदा बाहर के गीतों की सुर सुनेगा जहां। हम इस चमन को भी जन्नत का घर बना देंगे, हम इस चमन को भी जन्नत का घर बना देंगे।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
जब मैं 14 साल का था, जब मैं चेयरमैन सर के साथ काम करने के लिए आया था, अब मुझको 26 साल हो गए काम करते हुए। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा सर के साथ, और भी क्या कहना चाहता हूँ, तो मेरे जितना भी कहूँ उतना ही कम है मुझे, मेरे लिए।
But his presence is always with us. We shall strive hard, do our level best to fulfill his dreams, to fulfill his vision He will always be a source of guidance. We at Rockland family shall miss him, but he will live with us always. हमारे राजेश जी हमेशा हमारे रहेंगे।
चेयरमैन सर को शब्दों, समय और विचारों में बांधा नहीं जा सकता। मैं उनके बारे में कुछ भी कहने के लिए बहुत छोटी हूँ, पर फिर भी उनके कुछ कहे अनकहे विचार, जिन विचारों पर वो चले और हमारे लिए आदर्श बने। उनका ये समझाना कि लक्ष्य तो सभी प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं, संघर्ष भी करते हैं, परंतु सच्चे दिल और पूरी लगन से जो संघर्ष करते हैं, परस्पर सहयोग उन्हीं को मिलता है। उनके हिसाब से कोई व्यक्ति या समाज बड़ा या छोटा नहीं होता, बड़े या छोटे उनके कर्म और विचार होते हैं। मुश्किलें उन्हीं के रास्तों में आती हैं जो अपने कार्य को करना चाहते हैं, और अगर मुश्किलें देखी तो लक्ष्य से भटक जाएंगे। ऐसी बहुत सी शिक्षाएं जिन्हें शायद इस समय के दायरे में बताना मुश्किल होगा, पर मैं इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ, वो हमारे पास है।
राजेश जी हमारी साझा स्मृति का एक गाना आज पूरे रॉकलैंड परिवार के साथ।
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही। नैना सूझ लिए हैं ये राहों के दिए हैं, नैना सूझ लिए हैं ये राहों के दिए हैं। लोगों को उनका सब कुछ देके तू तो चला था सपने ही लेके। कोई नहीं तो तेरे अपने हैं सपने ये प्यार के।
Our chairman was a very positive person and he was passionate about doing things, and that really motivated us. He was a great teacher, a mentor, and I've been associated with him for the past 10 years, and he always spoke to us with great respect and dignity, and that really impressed me. It is a rare quality. I still feel he's amongst us, guiding us. We miss him. May his soul rest in peace.
I have been associated with Chairman Sir since 2012. He was a great visionary, a great leader, and a great philosopher. He was my mentor, a great teacher, and all in all, a humble human being I ever met in my life. He treated me just like a daughter, Sanya and Soumya. His love and affection was just like a father Till now, I could not accept the truth that He is no more. His presence is always with us. Love you, sir. May Almighty God rest His noble soul in eternal peace.
Knowing Rajesh, I am certain, before departing from all of us and leaving this earth of the God, he must have said, "Khush raho, ahle watan, hum to safar karte." This is my humble tribute to Rajesh ji. I think it was year 2005, about 10 years back, that I first came in touch with Rajesh, Prabhat and others. My dear friend N.P. Singh had introduced me to the family, and it was the first meeting of the advisory board that I was attending. When I looked at Rajesh and heard him for a few minutes, I was struck by the simplicity of the man, simplicity of his thought process, the determination and his very serious focus on people that he was building his dreams with. Having myself come from running a large organization like ITC, I felt here is someone from humble surroundings, which I learned much later from Rajesh, that how as a student he would do business better because he was a thinking man, which I saw. And during the meeting, I was impressed by his vision statement. I remember having said to Rajesh, if you had gone to Harvard, you would write your vision statement in English. But the vision statement that you have written is more than Oxford could ever teach. Because what he had said, जब भी कोई व्यक्ति, संगठन, समाज और राष्ट्र, look at the beauty, he has covered everybody and everything. आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रयत्नशील होता है और योग्यता और आधार, योग्यता के आधार पर योग्यता. Many people don't give any damn to yogyata. But here is someone who is putting focus on yogyata के आधार पर अपनी पहचान बनाता है, तभी उसके हर घटक को मान, सम्मान, धन व वैभव की प्राप्ति होती. I have never seen a statement as beautiful as this, as encompassing everybody and everything, and then to do it in Hindi. I was struck because in my working career I have not seen anything like that. And that in a way brought the man before me in that 1 hour meeting. I could start understanding him. And that was Rajesh to me when I met him. Somebody who can say more with less. Something I've admired all my life. And I've always said, the best people alone can say more with less. And here was that man, Rajesh. Simplicity was his strength, I think. Focus on people was his power. And later on, during various meetings and interactions, I found how committed he was, how focused he was on the healthcare center.
and how imaginatively he was finding answers. He had never gone to Harvard, but I know if he had the opportunity to go to Harvard, he would have excelled himself and be amongst the topmost leaders in the world. But having not gone to Harvard did not come in his way of seeing how things can happen. I don't think many Harvard people have done and achieved as much as he did. Finally, I think in later years, 2 years back or 1 year back, his model of marketing reached Harvard. And I think that was a day of great celebration. Because here was somebody who was recognized by Harvard. He left us too early, but I'm sure if he had lived longer, if God had given him more time, Harvard certainly would have recognized him publicly, and I'm sure the people he had left behind would achieve that dream which I dreamt for him always, that here is a man who will be decorated by Harvard and other global institutions. Over a period of time, the more I learned about him, more I interacted with him, the more I admired him. I would be very honest by saying that there are very few people of his kind that I have met in my life. A Karma Yogi, that was his beauty. He didn't speak, he didn't lecture. He meant every word that he said. Not only he meant, he practiced whatever he said. He walked the talk all the time. And a great leader, humble. He was like that tree. I remember when Lord Rama was going to the jungles, and Tulsidas Ji has described a tree. And as the tree becomes bigger and has more fruit, it bows down. That was Rajesh. The bigger he became, the more he came to the people. And the people loved him for his simplicity. They loved him for his caring for them and thinking for them. I remember having told Rajesh so many times, send the children to Harvard, to MIT. Let them learn healthcare. Let them learn money, finance, particularly, I remember. I hope that will happen. He's not there, but he is there looking at us all the time, at the family all the time. And I'm sure that will happen, and big things will happen to what he was wanting to do. The greatest contribution I found in 2005 in my first meeting, that the family was very clear that they have to bring great leaders in the business that they are doing. And I was very, very happy to see Dr. Dave on the table that day. I had met him earlier at the, what is that? All India Institute of Medical Sciences, during my interaction with him on nanotechnology and biotechnology. And I was very happy that he brought a great medical team. Here is the sign of a leader. He knows what he needs, and he had brought that team under the very able and visionary leadership of Dr. Dave, and more have joined, people like Dr. Sharma, Dr. Pandey, Dr. Pimpal. More things will happen, so I'm very happy. Family with Prabhat, Rishi, Pandari, the young champions, Sania, Pranav, Soumya, And now, after his very early passing away, he has left behind Malaji as a family guardian. I find the brothers' togetherness is great power. I've always seen, I know some other business families where keeping the family together is really the women of the family who need to be applauded. They keep it together. And this family to me is an ideal family. It has been together. Rajesh has contributed immensely to this, and I really hope he will bless this family all the time wherever he is. And this family will do very well. The business, the vision, the dream that he had dreamt of 10 hospitals will happen. What is happening today is wonderful, and more will happen. Even in death, Rajesh has his own simplicity way of doing things. Once he got the call from the God, he didn't take much time. He just packed up and went, leaving everybody behind. I think God has ordained for something bigger for him, something he can trust only to the most capable of his people. And that's why Rajesh left so suddenly and so immensely. People, when they come into this earth, everybody is happy. Everybody celebrates. The baby cries. The big people, when they leave, he smiles, as he always smiled all his life. That was his trademark. Whenever you met him, he's smiling. And whenever you met him, he's warm. And in his death, he's smiling and made everybody cry. That's a sign of a great man. He was a great leader. He led from the front. He was charming. He was loved. You could see that on his face and in his demeanor all the time. And that was Rajesh. God bless him. God has called him. So he will overlook all of us. And the business he started and the dream he left behind will be blessed all the time. I pay my humble tributes to him for bringing happiness to all as long as he was there. And I am sure that the family and the people, the team he has left behind, a great team, they will achieve his dreams. My salutations. Rajesh, God bless you.
मैं राजेश और उनके परिवार को लगभग पिछले 30 सालों से जानती हूँ। मैंने उन्हें संघर्ष करते, जी तोड़ मेहनत करते और सफलता की एक एक सीढ़ी चढ़ते हुए देखा है। हर हाल, हर परिस्थिति में उनके चेहरे पर एक मासूम सी मुस्कान ही दिखी है। वो सदा फलों से लदे हुए पेड़ की तरह विनम्र रहे। वो जब जब भी मुझे मिले, उन्होंने सदा परिवार की एकता को ही सराहा और यही कहा कि मेरी शक्ति मेरा परिवार है। मैं दुआ करती हूँ कि उनके परिवार को ईश्वर इस शोक से बाहर निकलने की शक्ति दे। मेरा ही नहीं, उनके सभी अपनों का विश्वास है कि स्वयं भगवान ने उन्हें अपने चरणों में जगह दी है। वो अपनी नीतियों और सत्कर्मों से हमेशा हमारे बीच रहेंगे।
For few years that we have known him, Rajesh ji touched our heart like no one else did. It will take a long while to comprehend, reconcile, and get over the grief at his unexpected departure. It was difficult to match his energy and dynamism. In the dark clouds, he spread his brilliance like a shining bright star. Ever smiling, for him, no problem was unsurmountable. He made all of us to dream and dream big. During my 5 3.5 years with Rockland Group, I witnessed the organization spreading its wings and make its presence felt globally. His dynamic leadership and capacity to sail through rough weather has left a deep imprint which cannot be erased from the history of Rockland.
मुझे राजेश भैया की एक चीज़ सबसे अच्छी लगी कि वो चाहे कोई सूफ़ी कलाम या गज़ल, यहाँ तक कि अगर कोई फिल्मी म्यूज़िक भी सुनते थे तो थोड़ी देर में उसमें खो जाते थे। वो एकदम उसमें आंखें बंद करके और ऐसे भाव से सुनते थे जैसे कोई भजन सुन रहे हों या ईश्वर की इबादत कर रहे हों। ये वही लोग कर सकते हैं जिन लोगों ने सब में ईश्वर को देखा हो, जो हर इंसान के अंदर ईश्वर को देखते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें ईश्वर को किसी नाम से पुकारने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। ये वही लोग कर सकते हैं जो अपने आप में अपने अंदर झांक के देख सकते हैं, अपने भगवान को पहचानते हैं। वो हम सब के प्रेरणा स्रोत, हम सब के बहुत प्यारे भैया, वो कहीं नहीं गए हैं, वो हमारे साथ हैं। और इस 21 फरवरी को उनका वो जन्म दिवस है जिस प्रकार 1918 में बाबा समाधिस्थ हो गए थे और पूरे संसार में बिखर गए थे। इसी तरह अब राजेश भैया किसी एक के नहीं रहे, वो सबके हो गए, वो सबके हो गए।
I was very fortunate to have spent a lot of time with Rajesh ji. He was a great listener, and more than that, he understood things that were not said. And I always felt that he could read my mind. Always focused. He had a tremendous sense of empathy. He felt for others, but never took anything lightly. He saw vast amount of opportunities all around him and was constantly looking at people who could use these opportunities and take things forward. And whatever he did, I mean, he really enjoyed himself. And most of the time he would laugh and say, whenever I asked him, he would say, "Mauj ho rahi hai, Dr. Saab." As he spoke, and when he tried to explain things, he would scribble on a piece of paper. He would make lines, squares, circles, arrows linking each other as he unfolded his plans. And his thoughts moved very fast for most of us to even comprehend how. And then he would go backwards trying to explain his reasoning and his plans. And he would repeat each arrow and each line of the scribbled page, which used to be a total mess by then. And he would go through in the same order. His thinking used to be so crystal clear. He had a great faith of mind over matter, and he treated his body as such, miraculously overcoming one medical complication after another. And even when he was in terminal stages of various illnesses that he had, he would sit down with a paper and pencil and explain his plans for growth for all. Head held high, he would walk, chhati taan ke, and a picture of total confidence. Always concerned for others, he rarely thought about himself. He was a true friend of friends and a true leader. He worked constantly, and personally I was involved in the middle of so many things with him till the 23rd evening. He always strived to make things very simple and easy, and he went away so suddenly that it's still difficult to realize that he's no more, and there is so much of work yet to be done. And all I can say is that we will miss you, Rajesh ji, and it's going to be a real challenge without you.
मुंबई में जहाँ खड़ा हूँ उससे थोड़ा पीछे ही समुंदर है। समुंदर की तरह ही राजेश में भी मेरे लिए राजेश को जी कहना थोड़ा मुश्किल है। सबको समेटने की क्षमता थी, सब उसमें आके मिल जाते थे। हर समस्या को अपना लेना, हर समस्या में ऐसे ही जूझना जैसे उसकी अपनी हो, ये उसकी खासियत थी। उसका जन्मदिन है, शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। जहाँ भी हो अच्छे रहो। जीते जी हम साथ थे, तुम्हारे जाने के बाद भी हम साथ ही हैं, उन सपनों के साथ जो तुमने जिए, देखे और आगे बाकी सब लोग उनको पूरा करेंगे।
राजेश जी एक कर्म योगी थे। कहते थे कि गाड़ी में भी नेविगेटर तभी चलता है जब गाड़ी मोशन में आती है। गाड़ी अगर स्टेशनरी है तो नेविगेटर भी बंद हो जाता है। मतलब कुछ करते चलो, रास्ता पता चल जाएगा। दूसरा, गहरी सोच के व्यक्ति थे, गहरी समझ के व्यक्ति थे। मैं अनु को हमेशा कहता था, इनकी बात ध्यान से सुनना। निष्कर्ष तक पहुंचते पहुंचते वो बता देते थे कि हम कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, गहरे पानी पेट। तीसरी चीज, वो सहज थे, सरल थे, हंसमुख थे, लेकिन फिर भी मर्यादा के साथ और गरिमा के साथ रहते थे। कभी भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं करते थे जिससे उनके दोस्तों की आंखें झुक जाएं। मतलब एक नॉन सीरियस सिंसियरिटी, एक नॉन सीरियस डिग्निटी जो वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट आइडियल है, उसकी तरफ अग्रसर थे। सो उनकी कमी हमेशा खलेगी। कुछ ही टाइम में वो मेरे को और अनु को अपनी फैमिली के साथ, अपने साथ बहुत नज़दीक ले आए थे। कमी हमेशा खलेगी और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि माला जी के नेतृत्व में प्रभात जी और ऋषि जी उनकी विरासत को और निखार देंगे, चार चांद लगा देंगे। यही हमारी तरफ से उनके लिए सबसे अच्छी श्रद्धांजलि होगी। और शायद ये दो पंक्तियां राजेश जी के लिए लिखी गई हैं कि कौन कहता है कि मौत आएगी और मैं मर जाऊंगा, कौन कहता है कि मौत आएगी और मैं मर जाऊंगा, मैं तो खुशबू बनकर हवाओं में बिखर जाऊंगा।
मैं अरुण गुप्ता स्वर्गीय राजेश जी के जन्म दिवस पर उनको श्रद्धांजलि सुमन अर्पित कर रहा हूँ। मेरा संबंध राजेश जी से 2001 में हुआ, जब रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल की नींव रखी गई। मैं फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र की कैपेसिटी में उनके साथ जुड़ा, पर समय के साथ उनके असीम प्रेम और सद्व्यवहार के कारण ये संबंध पारिवारिक संबंधों में परिवर्तित हो गए। राजेश जी ने की सूझबूझ और प्रोएक्टिव अप्रोच के कारण ही रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल इतने आगे बढ़ पाया। राजेश जी ने रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल की ग्रोथ के लिए जो स्वप्न देखा था, उनको पूरा करने की जिम्मेवारी परिवार के साथ साथ हम सब पर भी बनती है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है रॉकलैंड परिवार के सभी सदस्य इसको पूरा करने में अपना सहयोग देंगे। धन्यवाद।
I feel honored to get a chance to express my feelings on the auspicious birthday of Rajesh ji. It's too less to speak for such a towering personality. I met Rajesh ji about 24 years back. I feel blessed to have such a person in my life. By his sweet habits, by his soft speech, by warm relations, and about his tremendous attachment and appreciation for his joint family. He impressed me a lot. And he overtook all my acquaintances and became as a family member to me. I have not come such a complete person, human being in my life. Physically he may not be with us, but his presence will always be felt.
It's very sad that Rajesh Srivastava ji is not with us today. I had opportunity to meet him about 3 years ago for the first time, and even in the very first meeting I was quite impressed with his personality. He was a man who had the ability to say a lot in very few words. Very simple, humble, down to the earth, and always exuded confidence and had a lot of dreams with him. He had a dream not only to open tertiary big hospitals, but also to carry health services even to the small towns and villages in the corridor that he was developing, so that the health care could be carried to the doorsteps of the people at a very affordable cost. And he was working tirelessly for his dreams. He did not live to see his dreams fulfilled, and I'm sure the people who will be taking reign of Rockland will see to it that his dreams are fulfilled. He was a very good team leader, a team worker. He was very inspiring to the people who worked with him. Anybody who worked with him used to become like a part of his family. So was his affection, his guidance. That's why the Rockland family grew so fast and so large. On the family front, I think he is one of the best person I have seen. He carried all his family people along with him so that they all could work together to succeed. He was very respectful and humble to the people who ever met. And all these good habits, he saw to it that his children imbibed very well, with the result that they have also imbibed these habits, and they are also very humble, respectful to the people who are working with them, who are elder to them, and they are also very good team workers. I am sure with the legacy that he has left behind and the dreams that were left unfulfilled, the Rockland will continue to grow and his dreams will be fulfilled one day. I really miss him nowadays that he is not here, and I wish him peace in the heavens wherever he is.
मुझे इस बात का गर्व है कि मैं रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल के प्रथम अस्पताल के शुरुआती दौर से ही हिस्सा बना। रॉकलैंड अस्पताल के प्रथम संस्थापक चेयरमैन श्री राजेश श्रीवास्तव सर ने मेरे साथ हमेशा परिवार के मुखिया की तरह रिश्ता रखा और मुझे एक अच्छा डॉक्टर बनने के लिए हमेशा प्रोत्साहित करते रहे, जिसकी वजह से रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल के साथ बिताए गए उन लगभग एक दशक के दौरान मैंने विभिन्न वर्गों से लेकर टॉप लेवल के शख्सियतों को बेस्ट मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट देने में सक्षम हो सका। और ये हमारे जो रिश्ता है रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल के साथ भावनात्मक होने के साथ साथ मेरे पीढ़ियों से जुड़ा रहेगा, क्योंकि रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल में मेरे दोनों बच्चों ने पहली बार आंखें खोली थी। यह हम लोगों के लिए बेहद दुखद बात है कि हमने दूरदृष्टा वाले चेयरमैन साहब को बहुत जल्दी खो दिया है, लेकिन परमपिता परमेश्वर से मैं यही प्रार्थना करता हूं कि रॉकलैंड ग्रुप तेजी के साथ विकास करता रहे। नमस्कार।
मेरा मानना रहा है कि प्रेम के रिश्ते किसी भी और संबंध से अधिक मजबूत, अधिक प्रगाढ़ होते हैं। आदरणीय राजेश जी के साथ मेरा और मेरे परिवार का संबंध निस्वार्थ प्रेम का है। करीब 13 वर्ष पहले माला जी और राजेश जी पहली बार मेरे संपर्क में आए, जब राजेश जी का लंदन में इलाज चल रहा था। मुझे स्मरण आता है अजनबी देश में माला जी ने रविवार को मुझे भारतीय दूतावास के अधिकारी होने के नाते राजेश जी से कुछ संबंधित मदद मांगी। उस फोन वार्ता में कुछ ऐसा अपनापन, कुछ ऐसा आग्रह था कि मैं सब कुछ छोड़कर हाई कमीशन पहुंचा और वो कार्य पूरा किया। ये वाकया तो मैं लगभग भूल ही गया था, पर हिंदुस्तान वापस आने पर राजेश जी और माला जी से मेरी साक्षात भेंट हुई। राजेश जी के मृदु बोल, उनका ठहरा हुआ प्रेमी व्यक्तित्व और आध्यात्म के प्रति उनके झुकाव ने मुझे गहरा प्रभावित किया। अपने हर पारिवारिक अवसर पर वे हमें बुलाते रहे और हम खिंचते हुए उनके पास चले आते रहे। हमारी हर मुलाकात उनके व्यक्तित्व का एक नया पहलू मुझे दिखाती रही। मानव और समाज सेवा उनकी व्यावसायिक सोच का एक मूल आधार थी, जिसके चलते उसके बाद रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल्स का जन्म हुआ। सभी को साथ लेकर चलना, स्वयं से पहले दूसरों को रखना, लाभ में सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स की बराबर की भागीदारी, इन सभी बातों के वे गहरे पक्षधर रहे। वे अपनी आध्यात्मिक प्रवृत्ति और समाज के प्रति उनके दायित्व एक गहरा प्रभाव किसी भी व्यक्ति पर छोड़ते हैं। उनके असामयिक निधन से मैं और मेरा परिवार बहुत झकझोर दिया गया। ऐसा लगा कि मानो मेरा बड़ा भाई मेरा साथ छोड़कर चला गया। पर शायद परमपिता परमात्मा को हमसे ज़्यादा उनकी ज़रूरत है। अब चाहे उनकी शारीरिक उपस्थिति हमारे बीच ना हो, पर उनके आदर्श, उनके मूल्य, इन्हीं को हमें साकार और सजीव रखना है, और यही उनके प्रति हमारी सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि होगी। धन्यवाद।
This is my humble tribute to Rajesh ji. I don't have many words to express the great qualities of Rajesh ji, my very dear friend and a very noble soul, who was always smiling. I have many fond memories of my friendship with him. My association with him started in 2007 when we started raising capital from the World Bank for Rockland. That relationship quickly changed into a friendship of love, affection, trust and faith. Whenever I went to meet him, he got up to give a very warm hug. After a few minutes, he would pick up the phone and order my favorite samosas and pakoras, which he knew I relish. He had a very sharp grasping power. He would quickly grasp most complicated business and financial matters instantly and surprise many. He always had a spark in his eyes and a smile on his pleasant face. He had the vision and determination to walk his talk. Very few people have that kind of courage. He and I used to talk 3 to 4 times a week and sometimes 2 to 3 times a day. Sometimes we even talked late in the night. Work was worship for him, a real karma yogi to the core. He will always live in our hearts and our memories. I pray to God he lives in great peace and with the God. Thank you, Rajesh ji, being my friend. I love you, I love you, I love you. God bless all you have left behind. Thank you.
I know Rajesh sir from past 13 years. I have a very strong bonding with Rockland. Though I joined Rockland about, I would say, 13 years back. Means I was there for only 3 years and then I moved here 2 years. But still, I'm still in touch with sir. I'm still in touch with Rockland family because I take it as my own family. I don't know, the words cannot express sometimes your feelings, but sir was more like a mentor, like a guide, like a father to me, whose values are still I take it though I'm a mother of 2, but I still the learnings, the teachings what she has given me, I try to teach my kids. Like he used to say, believe in your ability, don't believe in your abilities, believe in your capabilities. Because the abilities is what you can do. Either you are young, you are small, okay, you will be short in your ability. You will think, okay, I'm able to do this only. But capability is what is inside you, what you can get that out. That was the most important lesson, or what I learned from it. I use that in day-to-day life, because abilities always limit us. Like, no, we can do only this. But sir used to say, like, do what you're capable of. Go beyond your abilities and do your work. So that like, you know, that some teachings, like what you learn is always there in your heart. You come out with it. Like, I would say from motivation and, like, you know, from milestone and targets to motivation and progress. Like, he even had some failures and setbacks to moving ahead and, you know, going to the success. He dealt with all throughout his life, and he came out with a success, which he has shown, like, this is what Rockland can be. His leadership has given wings to Rockland. I was so happy last year when I visited India. I was like, I really had tears in my eyes, like, you know, to see Sir's dream coming up the way he wanted it. Because he used to see that, you know, individually I can never go. If I work as a team, we go more forward. So, like, he used to say, like, if I decide, sir, today something, this is a project, I will go. He thought, no, I cannot do it. Unless and until I have a team with me, it'll make me move faster. And I was amazed to see Manas sir. I was amazed to see the actual Rockland where I worked for 10 years back. It was totally different.
You know, sometimes words are not enough to express your gratitude, your special feelings towards such a magnanimous and inspiring personality like Rajesh Jijaji. There's a saying that everything in this world happens with a purpose. I believe that saying even more now. I was extremely fortunate to have come in contact with inspiring personality like Rajesh Jijaji, and to have spent such precious moments with him, which I will cherish for the rest of my life. He was a friend, he was a mentor, he was a guide to me, and he had his own special way of inspiring people. Just the very fact that what he achieved in his lifespan, coming from such humble beginnings, and to earn the respect and the regard of the who's who in the field of healthcare, bureaucracy, administration, politics, you name it. Everybody regarded him for his foresight, for his vision, and the ability to take people along with him and you know, develop along with people and grow along with people. When I lost my father a year back, you know, he ensured that I sat with him and watched a movie named Secret, which talks about the positive energy and the power of positive thoughts, and how you could take life head on and change things with the power of positive energy. So he had his own way of making people self-reliant and self-dependent. It's ironical that I could not express these feelings to him when he was alive in a similar manner to my father, who passed away a year back. But when I look back, you know, I feel I can confidently say that because of you know, his effect on me, because of what he achieved in his lifespan, and because of his just being there, I've become a more positive person. I've learned to take risks in life and just embrace life with both hands. So I can now say that there are, you know, two bright stars shining through the night sky and guiding me each step in life, and holding my hand, my father and my Jijaji. So Jijaji, I'll you know, live my life Mauj mein, if that's the way you had you know, wanted, and that's the way you used to say. No matter what condition you were in, you were always Mauj mein. And so I will, you know, I can say now that I can make a promise to you that I will live my life in that spirit and embrace your idea and your values till the end. Thank you for being the person you were.
Jijaji, as I fondly called him, was a simple man full of life. I remember him as a teacher, a mentor, a well-wisher, and a friend. He was an ocean of knowledge. He could talk on anything without hesitation and with confidence. I had the opportunity of discussing a number of topics related to life with him, and every conversation would end with me getting enriched in some way or the other. The most important lesson that he taught me is that there is nothing impossible in life. If you will, go get it, and you will get it. The only important thing is humility, perseverance, and truthfulness. He imbibed the basic teaching of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita and followed it to the core in his daily life. He truly was the Krishna of Mahabharata who overcame and conquered fear, led a life of detachment, and taught the most important lesson: do your duty, because that is your karma and your dharma.
फूलों की खुशबू सिर्फ हवा की दिशा में फैलती है, लेकिन एक अच्छे व्यक्ति की अच्छाई हर दिशा में फैलती है. This is how I remember our CMD sir. His presence gave us the assurance which only a parent presence can provide.
मैं CMD सर को पिछले 3 साल से जानती हूँ. उन्होंने जब भी वो मिलते थे वो एक ही बात दोहराते थे कि हमारे हॉस्पिटल में जो भी पेशेंट आ रहा है उस पेशेंट को हमने अपना समझ के ट्रीट करना है, और जब भी वो पेशेंट वापस जाए तो हमेशा खुश जाए और उसका ट्रीटमेंट बेटर होके जाए. जब भी हम लोग मिले हैं या हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स उनसे मिले हैं तो ऐसा लगा है कि हम लोग एक फैमिली के लोग हैं. कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि वो ओनर है, हम एम्प्लॉई हैं.
CMD sir was like a father figure to many of us. Whenever we had any problem, we knew we could go to him and he would help us find a solution. I remember an instance on an annual day, my kids had accompanied me. He gave them both a token of affection, saying कि बेटी के बच्चे पहली बार आए हैं. That touched my heart. He was truly a noble soul, an angel, and we'll always remember him like that.
जब चेयरमैन के बारे में कुछ याद आता है, वह उनके बारे में जो सोचता हूँ, मुझे एक चीज़ ही नज़रिया आता है, कुछ सच्चाई मेरे नज़र दिखाई देता है.
जब मैं चेयरमैन सर से मिला स्टार्टिंग में, जब फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन हुआ तो उनसे मिलकर मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. उनके साथ में मेरे को ऐसा फील हुआ जैसे कि एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी मेरे को मिल रही है. एक एनकरेज उन्होंने मेरे को किया कि स्पेशली कि कैसे काम करना है, कैसे यूनिट में रहना है, कैसे है. तो मैं इंस्पिरेशनल बहुत थे वो मेरे लिए, और मैं आज भी उनको ऐसे याद करता हूँ.
चेयरमैन साहब के विचारों से मैं बहुत प्रभावित हूँ. किसी शायर ने खूब कहा है कि जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते. हासिल उन्हें होती है सफलता जो वक्त और हालात पर रोया नहीं करते.
जब दुनिया ये कहती है कि हार मान लो, तो आशा धीरे से कान में कहती है एक बार फिर से प्रयास कर लो. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मेरी चेयरमैन सर को भावभीनी श्रद्धांजलि.
जी, आप एक महान व्यक्तित्व के साथ साथ दिव्य दृष्टा भी थे. आपने कड़ी मेहनत और ईमानदारी के साथ इस संस्थान को जन्म दिया. मैं ही नहीं, मेरे परिवार के अन्य सदस्य भी आपके करीब थे. आपकी याद में ये हमारी 4 पंक्तियाँ. राजेश जी, रॉकलैंड के संस्थापक, रॉक स्टार हमारे. तुम हो न हो इस जहां में, पर बने रहोगे दिल में हमारे. जन्मदिन के इस शुभ अवसर पर सशक्त नमन तुम्हें हमारे.
Always remember late Mr. Rajesh Srivastava as a very positive, motivative and inspiring person whom I have ever met in my life.
Last 3 years since I joined the organization, his vision, his ideas are very good ideas, and it was a shock, personal shock to me when I heard about his demise, and I really feel very bad that he is no more between us. But me, from my side, I will leave no stone unturned to achieve his dreams, to achieve his goals as far as the business and organization is concerned.
First thing that comes to mind whenever I think of, or whenever I remember a previous chairman, is he was such a simple, honest, humble man, a very caring person, a fatherly figure, who was very positive in his approach. His mere presence would bring smile on the faces of others. He was also very focused on his goals, and he wanted to see Rockland Hospital at the top of the world.
Regarding our beloved late Mr. Rajesh ji, when I met him 10 years ago, I was amazed to see the personality. He was cool and calm. He was looking like a philosopher. He speaks very less, but with a great meaning. And in true sense, he was a great leader. He was an inspiring person and I think he will always remain in my heart.
I met Rajesh ji in 2012 and found him very polite, to the point, with clear vision and a simple personality. He was inspiration to all, and he was a great motivation factor in binding the whole Rockland group.
CMD Shri Rajesh Srivastav ji was very humble, down to earth, and a pleasant personality. I met him on many occasions. Once he awarded me and told me that you always keep smiling. So that thought touched me, and he inspired me a lot, and he will always remain alive in my thoughts. Thank you.
Our CMD, late Mr. Rajesh Srivastav ji, was a man of principles and the main guiding force behind the Rockland Group Hospitals. On a personal note, I would like to say that it is a great loss for me. He always inspired me. He was a very simple person. He would interact with everybody, each and everybody he would meet in the hospital. This is a great loss to the Rockland Group of Hospitals.
Sad that our beloved Chairman Sir Shri Rajesh Srivastav ji is not amidst us, but his presence is continuously felt in his inspirational words and the affection that has bound us together as a Rockland family. I remember a very interesting instance when my father was speaking to him at Sania's wedding, and he told him that Charu praises you a lot. He very humbly replied that "Achhe log acha dekhte hain." Those kind words fill my heart with warmth. He was not only a good individual, but a legend.
We hold on to the memories because people come and go, but memories last forever. Our chairman Rajesh Srivastav ji is not among us today, but his memories are with and his thoughts are with us. He was among the pioneers in NCR who has started healthcare in private sector. We assure you, Rajesh Srivastav ji, that we will work hard with the best of our efforts, devotion, and to take the institution to the heights where you wished to be.
The sudden demise of Mr. Srivastav ji has been an irreparable loss for the institute and for the family. Today, on his birth anniversary, we remember him as a guiding force for our personal as well as professional lives. Personally, he has guided us how to take a family as a unit and move forward in life. And professionally, he has given us a mission, a vision of his to take health services to the village level. So we all would work hard to keep his vision and mission alive.
Rajesh sir was honest, with a single aim, to having a clear vision, for having a trusted healthcare brand with a motto of Breadth, Yogita, Pehchan. His simplicity and hard working inspires me a lot.
हर वह व्यक्ति जो निपुण है, जिसे लक्ष्य की समझ है और जो लक्ष्य प्राप्ति के लिए समर्पित है, वह महत्वपूर्ण है। जब हम विस्तार की बात करते हैं, तब हमें सभी महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्तियों को उसका सहभागी बनाना चाहिए। ये हमारे श्री राजेश श्रीवास्तव जी के वचन हैं, which keeps me on, which brought me to the system called Rockland, and to be or not to be is our own choice. Whatever it is, the statement from this true visionary keeps us on as a team. It is always best when we achieve together, we achieve more rather than when we walk single-handedly. So let's keep his motto, his vision alive in our mission that we call to taking forward in Rockland.
Srivastava was very passionate about providing best medical care to the people at village level. He always used to inspire people to work together and progress together. I found him a person of great aura and with greatest of motivational force.
हमें बहुत दुख है कि हमने एक अनमोल रत्न खो दिया जिसकी भरपाई कभी नहीं हो सकती। मैं दिल से उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं। उनके विचार बहुत प्रेरणाजनक थे। मैंने अपने 10 वर्षों के कार्यकाल में उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा। उनका मार्गदर्शक बहुत सराहनीय था। वे हर एक व्यक्ति से एक समान रूप से मिलते थे और उनकी बातें सुनते थे और उनकी समस्या का समाधान करते थे। हमें गर्व है कि हम ऐसे परिवार से जुड़े हैं जिन्होंने हमें सहनशीलता और सार्वभौमिक स्वीकृति का पाठ पढ़ाया। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि ईश्वर उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे।
ग्रुप के चेयरमैन श्री राजेश श्रीवास्तव बहुत ही अच्छे व्यक्ति थे, जो कि छोटा बड़े वर्कर में कभी भेदभाव नहीं रखते थे। बहुत ही महान व्यक्ति थे और बहुत ही अच्छे थे। कहने का मतलब कभी किसी से भेदभाव नहीं करते थे, सभी से मिलकर रहते थे, सभी को काम करने के तरीके और प्यार से सिखाते थे। आगे हमेशा आगे ही बढ़ने के तरीके सभी व्यक्ति को सिखाते रहते थे। उनको मैं हार्दिक दिल से प्रणाम करता हूँ।
It's been almost 3 years I've been associated with Rockland Hospital, and I still remember the day when our CMD sir, Mr. Rajesh Srivastava ji, had took my interview, and उन्होंने मुझे एक बात बोली थी, रजत, जिस सेक्टर में तुम जॉब कर रहे हो उस सेक्टर में तुम्हें लोगों का दर्द समझना है और फिर उनको हेल्प करनी है। वो कहते हैं ना, कुछ लोग चले जाते हैं बट उनकी अच्छी बातें याद रहती है। I would say we'll really miss you, sir.
पहले सबसे पहले मैं राजेश श्रीवास्तव जी की दिव्यंत आत्मा को नमन करता हूँ। राजेश जी एक ऐसे सुलझे हुए इंसान थे जिनको कभी गुस्से होते हुए नहीं देखा, गुस्सा नहीं था। हर एक इंसान को अपने साथ लेके चलने का मादा रखते थे। कभी उन्होंने अपने एम्प्लॉय में और अपने आप में भेदभाव नहीं रखा। वो हर एम्प्लॉय को मालिक बनाना चाहते थे। सभी लोगों से उनके पीछे के बारे में पूछते थे, तुम्हारे क्या सपने हैं, क्या बनना चाहते थे, और वो उनको पूरा करने की कोशिश करते थे। हर एम्प्लॉय को आगे बढ़ाना चाहते थे और वो बहुत ही महान व्यक्ति थे। ऐसे व्यक्ति बहुत ही कम दुनिया में पैदा होते हैं।
11 में आर्मी से रिटायर होकर के रॉकलैंड में इंटरव्यू देने गया तो मैंने राजेश जी को देखा और उनको देख कर के मेरे मन में वो भाव आया कि इन आदमी से जुड़ना चाहिए, और मैं आधी सैलरी के अंदर भी उनके साथ जुड़ने के लिए मेरी इच्छा कर गई। और उस आदमी के अंदर, श्री राजेश जी के अंदर वो भाव थे जो एक आदमी में नहीं, एक परमात्मा में होते हैं। तो इसलिए मैंने उनका साथ किया। और वो आदमी एक बहुत ही जेंटल और बड़ी नम्रता वाले आदमी थे जिसको सदा याद किया जा सकता है।
मैंने रॉकलैंड हॉस्पिटल करीब दिसंबर 2014 में ज्वाइन किया था और तब से करीब 4 से 5 बार मैं सर से मिला। और जितनी बार भी सर से मुलाकात हुई, सर ने एक चीज़ शायद से हर बार कही होगी कि बेटा, मरीज जब भी तुम्हारे पास आता है बहुत दुखी हालत में आता है, कोशिश करो कि तुम उसका दुख दूर करो और जब भी वो यहाँ से जाए तो खुश होके जाए। हम यही कोशिश करते हैं कि जो भी मरीज हमारे पास आए वो यहाँ से सेटिस्फाई होकर जाए। इसी से उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिलेगी। और मैं प्रे करूँगा कि जहाँ कहीं पर भी सर हैं, हिज सोल में रेस्ट इन पीस, और जितने भी फैमिली मेम्बर्स उनके साथ एसोसिएटेड हैं उनको ये लॉस झेलने की शक्ति दें। थैंक यू।
He was a fatherly figure for me. He always spread smiles. He never differentiated anyone and treated everyone with equality. I'll say a few words about him in Hindi, as he was a great admirer of Hindi language. हम सब साथ संयोग से हैं, एक बड़े यज्ञ की तैयारी है, हम मंजिल को छोटा करना है, हम मिलकर कदम उठाएंगे। We miss you, sir.
हम सब साथ हैं, मात्र संयोग नहीं है, एक बड़े यज्ञ की तैयारी है। चेयरमैन सर की ये बात हमेशा याद रहती है। बातें तो बहुत सारी हैं, लेकिन एक सबसे खास बात जो मैं यहाँ सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ, सर हमेशा कहा करते थे कि जब परिवार में प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं तो परिवार के सारे लोग इकट्ठा होकर उन प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करते हैं, एक साथ उनका सामना करते हैं और उन प्रॉब्लम्स में से ही सलूशन निकलते हैं। We are missing you, sir.
Mr. Rajesh Srivastava ji, who is the MD of RHL Group,
I've come in contact for last 1 year, 4 months after completion of 33 years of my service. He was a dynamic person who was very disciplined. At this moment, he is no more. It is a very big loss to the family and to the institute. I pray to the God to give him a peace in the heaven. And in the last, I can only say, एक दिन बिक जाएंगे माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे.
Mr. Rajesh Srivastava was a great visionary. It was his vision to make a network of hospitals, including tertiary and primary care center, and the large hospital that he has built in the rural belt of Manesar, which is doing very well. And it is this vision which brought me close to him, and I joined him as director of all the cath labs of Rockland hospitals. Today, unfortunately, he is not here with us, but the light still glows and shows us the vision.
एसडी साहब ने काम करने का 1.5 साल मुझे टाइम मिला था. उनसे मैंने ये सीखा, जो भी काम करना है पहले प्लान करो और उसके बाद बहुत मेहनत के साथ काम करो, आप सक्सेस होंगे. अमेरिका में जो अब्राहम लिंकन है वो राष्ट्रपति बन सकता है, तो हम लोग क्यों नहीं बन सकते? जैसे नेचर है, आप नेचर के हिसाब से अपने आप को ढालो. आप कभी बीमारी का बहाना करते हो, कुछ काम करते हो, ऐसा नहीं. सूरज कभी बीमार पड़ता है? नहीं पड़ता. तो आप इसी तरीक़ा से अपना काम करो, आप जब भी अपने लाइफ में सक्सेस होंगे. ये मैंने उनसे सीखा है.
राजेश सर रियल फाइटर थे, उनसे हमेशा हमें पॉजिटिविटी मिलती है.
मेरा नाम प्रवीण है, मैं इस रॉकलैंड ग्रुप से 18 साल से जुड़ा हूँ. राजेश सर का नाम जब भी मेरे जहन में आता है तो मुझे जो उनकी अच्छी बातें दिमाग में आती हैं वो थी अखंडता और टीम लीडरशिप. अखंड बने, चाहे वो अपने परिवार में हो, चाहे वो अपने वर्क प्लेस में हो, और अपने परिवार को और अपने ग्रुप को जहाँ पर भी आप कार्यरत हैं उसको आगे बढ़ाएं. एक गोल निर्धारित करें, एक सेट करें और उसे अचीव करें.
मॉर्निंग. मैंने चेयरमैन सर को हमेशा मुस्कुराते हुए देखा है. जब भी मैं उनसे मिला हूँ हमेशा मुझे मुस्कुराते ही नज़र आए थे, और उस मुस्कुराहट में मैंने एक पॉजिटिविटी देखी है जिससे कि हमें एक प्रेरणा आगे बढ़ने की मिलती है. मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि हम सर की तरह हमेशा मिलजुल कर रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें और आगे बढ़ते रहें.
He was a very nice personality and he lived in our hearts forever.
नमस्कार. राजेश श्रीवास्तव सर होटल में जब आते थे तो हमें जो है बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है सिखाते थे, प्यार देते थे. हमेशा यही बोलते थे कि प्यार बांट के रहो, हमेशा जो है शेयर करते रहो, और ज्ञान की बात जो है हमेशा देते थे. कौन क्या कर रहा है, कैसे हैं, ये सारी बात.
सर जब भी होटल में आते थे तो सभी स्टाफों से मिलना चाहते थे, सबसे बात करना चाहते थे और सबके बारे में पूछना चाहते थे कौन कैसा है, कौन क्या काम कर रहा है, और सबको उनसे काम करने में अच्छा लगता था और सबको अच्छी तरह से गाइडेंस करते थे और ये चाहते थे कि मैं सबसे मिल सकूं, सबसे थोड़ा बात कर सकूं.
राजेश सर जो कि आज हमारे बीच में नहीं है, बहुत शांति स्वभाव के थे, बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे और उनकी कमी हमेशा हमें दिखती रही.
Rajesh sir was a very inspiring person. Whenever I met him, I found him very humble and caring about the people. In one line, I can say that he was a people's person, and we'll always remember him forever.